going over it. Each corner. This is each corner of the TV, as we were just adjusting there to bring each corner in and out for 9 TV and 12 TV setups. So just this way or this way. So that's for those two. And then this one is for left and right micro adjustment. And then on the actual arms, once we put the TV on, hard for me to show you back there, but on the actual arms is your up and down adjustment for fine tuning the level. Which are right there. There you go. So you have your two small ones, which are locking, and the two right there, which are for moving it, micromanaging it up and down. Bring them in and out as you in, and they come out. So that way, now I can slip this on and for servicing. So put them in and slip them out with magnets. And we got a couple more to go. Getting there. Gotta show you this though. You can literally, so see this little bit of distance here? There's a knob right here, and all I do, yeah, I just tighten it, and you'll watch. Oh, see, it's going the wrong way there. See how it's pulling it in? Boom, right there. Just by twisting. These mounts are wicked. We got our first 3 up, and you gotta check this out. So even if you just put this here, you do this, and then that way you can make sure you're level. I mean, you can even put the laser on the bottom, but this is always fun too. And look at that, it's uniform here. So let's get this last one in. I always do this one last because now I can put the last power in here. Another cool thing for you, if you do a full plywood backing for the whole thing, you can use these hangers. So this will hang the mounts, and you can put the set, you can do it all by these holes on here, hang the mounts on, and then you just do your 4 all the way around, because these mounts come with 5, not 4 legs. So you can use the hanger and do everything like that. So far, so good. I gotta say, loving these Peerless mounts. All you do is you come to the center, right here, just gonna press on the center, right here and right here, and it pops forward. I'm gonna press on it, show you, boom, just like that. Makes it so much easier for access and wiring. I put a austere power bar in behind, keep it nice and good. So far, so good. As you can see, if you're going to be doing this, you do need a 4 out matrix switch, since we have 4 displays. So as you can see, we have 1 in, 4 out, which is perfect. Now that we've got that for this video wall display, we're going to go ahead and power it up. And then we might have to move some of these HDMIs around, because you'll notice that, oh, that corner should actually be there, or that one should be over here. And you have to play the real fun, make the picture match and look great. The old matchmaker game, so that way the picture makes a picture. Super important thing. Make sure if you're doing this, go to your power and energy savings. Make sure this is all turned off. Otherwise, all displays will look different. Make sure you turn this all off, because you're probably going to hook up a streaming box. And then the last but not least thing is make sure your picture mode's the same. If you have an LG, make sure none of them are on energy saving. Put them on standard or HDR or whatever you got to do. But you do not want this. And make sure you plug them all into the same input so they all have the same input speed. And that's about it. If you're mixing up panels, just be aware that they all have different. That's why you need to have same panels, same year, same model, same everything. Otherwise, the picture settings will be different. Very important. Cancel. All right, now that we've gone ahead and done that, let's go ahead and press source. And then we're gonna make sure I'm gonna power this one off for 1 sec. And then I'm gonna make sure we power all of them on. And then after we do that, we need to make sure, and then we're gonna go from this. So this one, we're gonna make sure menu, connected. We're gonna go to HDMI 1. Now I've singularly paired all these TVs. As you can see how this guy's upside down? Let's show you. After this is done, it's gonna detect the device. You're gonna see that I was looking at his legs for a second. Oh, it actually picked it up, perfect. So next I need to grab my other remotes and switch them all, and we'll have one giant picture. This is the matrix switch I decided to go with, and I am not regretting it. So far, it was literally plug and play. Best one I've used so far. And it was exactly how I thought. 1 is top left, then it's top right is 2, and then bottom left is 3, and bottom right is 4. So easy. Have a little bit of tuning in. I want to bring that up a little closer, but we have to watch for the sensors. But other than that, we're all good. It's looking great. That's how it should be. But yeah, it's looking pretty darn good. We got our right tower there, left tower there, amplifier, And of course, switcher with 1 cable box. We're actually going to be doing 4 cable boxes so you can watch 4 games or just 1 massive game, which will be sweet. And when it's in massive mode, it's like 114 wide by 65 high, which is just insane. That's bigger than a 120-inch projector screen. So there you go.